everyone, well, I'm building my vanity table. So look, I feel that I'm going faster because the book instruction can help me to build it. So it's very easy that you have to read it. You have to read the book and then voila, you can do it easily. I have to finish it and then I will show you how it looks. Hey everyone, as I told you before, the vanity table is ready to use. Look at this. I really love the size of the vanity table. I really love also the mirror touch screen. So you press here and you can change the color light also. Look, I really love it. I enjoy my vanity table here. So I already put all my makeup here. And then also what I like, so you have a shirt that you can fit something here to put inside and keep it inside, very organized. Also, what I love is that it's standard table. Well, I really love the quality of the vanity table. This is very strong quality, good quality, and then it's light, so you can move it anywhere you like it. So it's very luxury, and then it's a nice one. So I'm very happy with this product.